Hey guys, so today I want to talk about something a little bit different, and I want to talk about how you can create belief in yourself with your new pet photography business. As someone who has started a couple of businesses that other people did not think would amount to a whole lot of anything, I definitely have had to overcome a lot of naysayers, negativity, and doubt from others when it came to my own vision and my own dreams. And it can be really tough to believe in yourself when others don't value your idea in the same way that you do. It might be that you are experiencing a similar thing when it comes to your own business and your own dreams. Maybe you're hearing that pet photography isn't a valid career path, or that you'll never make money doing something that you love, or some iteration or version of that. Those constant nagging thoughts and doubt can definitely cloud your own judgment and your own belief system to the point where we deviate from our original plan and we give up on something that we want to try, or we don't even get started in the first place, which is a travesty. So how can we create belief in ourselves so that we don't need the belief or validation of other people for our own dreams? Before we get there, be sure to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell down below so you never miss a brand new video all about pet photography. First, here is what I want you to know about creating belief and building belief in yourself. You are the only person that needs to believe in your dream. That's it. You don't need permission from anyone else for your own life. That's so important that I want to repeat it again. You don't need permission from anyone else in your own life. Sure, it is nice to have other people who support and encourage you, which you definitely should have those people also. But at the end of the day, the only person that needs to truly believe in it is you. After all, you're the only one with the vision and can see where you're going. So that's the first piece, which is understanding that you don't need anybody else's permission for the life that you want to lead or the business you want to lead. The second thing is to recognize that when other people comment on your vision with negative commentary, it's entirely a reflection of their own limiting beliefs, life experience, insecurities, background, and other limitations. It has nothing to do with you. So for instance, you could say, I'm a pet photographer to someone you just met, and they could say, well, that's stupid. And that would kind of hurt, right? It would sting a little bit. But maybe they don't like dogs or animals, or maybe they have dreams of being a photographer and they're jealous. Or maybe they just don't fully understand what it is you actually do. No matter the reason, their perception and opinion literally has nothing to do with you or your business. So I want you to understand that when someone comes at you with something sort of on that same wavelength, that it's about them, not you. So do not waste your precious energy on the opinions of people who don't even know you or know you that well. That energy can be spent building belief in yourself and putting that energy into working on building your successful business. So once I understood that things that other people said to me were entirely a reflection of them, it changed my life, and I hope that that helps you too. The third thing is to start being, thinking, speaking, and writing as if you are already the thing that you want to become. I regularly say to myself, think and speak and write down, I am a successful, published, award-winning traveling pet photographer. I believe it to be true, even if that entire sort of vision hasn't come to fruition yet, because I know that's exactly where I'm headed. In other words, you have to act as a successful pet photographer before you actually become one. It's taking the actions you need to take to get there, along with the thoughts, emotions, speech, and lifestyle of someone who is successful. And I promise you're probably gonna feel silly at first because you're so far from where you wanna be. You're gonna feel doubt, trepidation, or like you're just not enough. But belief comes by taking tiny incremental steps to get there one day at a time. Fourth, I want you to take action. Take lots of strategic, direct action. I have found a lot of belief in yourself comes from the task of actually doing the thing that you want to be doing. Sure, you might fail at something or make lots of mistakes or get it wrong sometimes, but as long as you keep going, you do have the option to course correct and learn from those mistakes. And along the way, you're gonna actually find out what works, what you're succeeding at, the things that are going right. So you're gonna be able to celebrate those amazing things too. Taking action will also help you to build lots and lots of great momentum for the growth of your budding pet photography business. And fifth, I want you to celebrate your successes. I like to have sort of a mental cookie jar. So when I feel really far from my goals, or if I feel like I'm failing at something, I want to see how far that I've come. So when I'm in the headspace where I need to pick me up, I reach into my cookie jar. And this can be a list of wins or successes that you keep on your notes app or in your journal. And you open it up and you read it to remind you of the things that you've already accomplished, and that will encourage you to keep going. So by celebrating our successes, no matter how big or small, we are actually rewiring our brain to focus on the positive, which helps to instill more belief in ourselves in the long term. 6, I want you and I encourage you to be a lifelong student. So I have found that by continually adding to my toolkit, by constantly being willing to learn something new and add more techniques to that toolkit, I feel less like an imposter and more like an actual pet photographer. And walking into this business with an open mind and a willingness to do the research to learn all that you can has helped to create a tremendous belief in myself, and I know that it'll help you to create belief in yourself. It'll also help you level up your skill set as a pet photographer. By now, you've got some great ideas on how to start creating belief in yourself in your pet photography business, but I want to go ahead and just recap real quick. Number 1, you are the only person that needs to believe in your dreams. You do not need permission from anyone else to design the life or business that you want. 2, negative commentary from others is a reflection of themselves, not you. Do not waste your energy on listening to the opinions of other people and focus that energy on building belief in yourself. 3, start being, speaking, writing, and thinking as the person you want to become. Or in other words, do the things necessary today to already act as if you already are the person that you want to be. 4, make things happen and build momentum by taking lots of action. The actual doing of things, no matter if you make mistakes, is one of the quickest ways to build belief in your talents, skills, and expertise. 6, be a lifelong student. Creating belief in yourself also comes from being willing to accept that you don't know everything and continue every single day to become better and learn new things along the way. Now, there are many more ways you can work to build belief in yourself, such as affirmations, meditation, journaling, etc. But these are some of my favorites that have been beneficial in my own life that I hope that you find them sort of helpful, thoughtful, encouraging, all of those fun things. If so, let me know in the comments below, or what way you like to build belief in yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high quality pet photography content. Until next time, be kind and rescue dogs. Thanks for watching.